shotguns singing, I'm pouring the dog down at the old log road. Then he got three and looked back grinning. I fumbled around and tried to reload. The country was cold with the sunwest was singing. It's good to be back in this place with my hands around the battlefield ground and on the lines of a place. Well, now Danny's my buddy. We grew up like family. We hunted this timber before we could drive. The old English pointer, he once belonged to me, but I gave him up and I moved to go by. Off with the girl, off to the city, off on the weekend day trips. Well, I thought I'd play out just like some story. We fell in love at rodeo dance. She said, come back to Cherokee Town. Won't you come back with nothing but a razor and a comb? She said, baby, if you need me, I'll be where you found me. Go on to hell, dances. Look at old Jim, a dozen Decembers behind it, no words for the wear. And you time spinning toes to not help your shoe. And look at the gray in your hair. How good does it feel? You belong in these hills. It's best that you let it all in. You married that girl, you married a family. We dodged that bullet, my friend. She said, go on back to Cherokee Town. Won't you come back with nothing but a razor and a comb? She said, baby, if you need me, I'll be where you found me. Go on to hell, honey, I'm headed. Oh, and I was beginning to deal with it in the old dog pointed while part of me died. Then a flutter of feathers and a shotgun to the shoulder. I thought of the 4th of July. You'll be home on the 4th of July. But we dance on the 4th of July all night. Dan says, hello, the shot looks like you still got it. That's what we